Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simone. I am a makeup artist and I am going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial with you today. I'm just using a few of my simple everyday products. Yeah, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna start off by using my Clinique Hydration Gel I'm literally almost out. So give myself a little bit of moisture. I have just curled my hair too, but I haven't brushed it out yet, so if it looks a little Shirley Temple style, just deal with it. I am also going to be using Inglot HD foundation today. Normally if I'm going to be doing like a bit more of an intricate makeup style, I will do my eyes first, but today I'm just doing a quick makeup. Just need a mirror. I have a mirror down here if you're wondering why I keep looking down, but just need one a little bit closer. Normally I would prime my eyelids, but I'm not going to today. I'm literally just going to put this all over. This is quite an old foundation actually. I quite like it. It is one that I've been using for a couple of years. And I go through phases where I don't like it and then I really like it again. I'm back on the bandwagon. I just focused the foundation on these sections of my cheeks here. So I put most of my product there and then I basically just blend whatever's left like over my forehead because I don't really need any coverage there. Just make sure that, don't forget to do the ears. Just do with it, whatever's left on your brush. And I just blend right down. Okay, I didn't bring my concealer over, 1 second. I am going to use my Benefit concealer. It's an airbrushing concealer in the number 2. I really love this one. I really need a mirror, like a stand-up mirror, don't I? So I don't have to hold it. But you know, first video, so. And I'm just going to use the same brush. This stuff is so buttery, it just like melts. This is my second one. I had a full-size one and I completely like finished that. And this is just a sample one that I got. It's like a mini that I got in another pack. And we're in lockdown at the moment, so I haven't been to Sephora to purchase another one. And I tried to find it online and they don't have this one in the shade number 2 online. I could only find it in number 3. So I'm gonna have to go into a store and see if I can get it. I'm gonna go in with my Mercier translucent powder. I've just started using this. I can't decide if I prefer the one I was using before, which was the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, or this one. I really liked the Too Faced one. I just can't figure out if I like this one better. I think I like the color of the Too Faced one better because it's a little bit more like yellow, which suits my skin tone. But I'm actually testing this one to see if I want to put it in my kit because I'm currently using the RCMA No Color Filter powder. All right, I'm just gonna actually set my eyelids as well because I haven't used a paint pot. I've just used foundation. All right, so next I'm going to go in with my Dior bronzing palette. This is another product that I'm testing for my kit. So far, like, I use these 2 shades for myself. This one here is a little bit too dark for me, obviously. And I've used the top highlighting shade as well. So, again, mirror. This Marc Jacobs highlighter I bought, it's number 76. I didn't realize that it was so highlighty. I thought it was more of a bronzer when I first purchased it, because I got it online, and it's super intense. You're gonna see, it's like crazy. I actually have a hard time using it on clients. I'm thinking about taking it out of my kit because I only really use it on the tops of the shoulders, and I have other products that I can use for that as well. So I'm just using the second darkest shade in this palette. Just a little bit of a bronze today, not too much. And then I'm going in with the highlighting bronze color and just popping that over the top. It gives such a nice little like sheen, which would be really pretty, except I've decided that I'm going to use this bronzer today to show you how pigmented it is. This is my all-time favorite blush. This is the Benefit Rockature, and I would put this in my kit, but I hate how bulky the packaging is, and they just take up way too much space in my kit. So otherwise I would have it in there. So that's my personal one. I've hit pan on it. You can see that. But I've had it for like, I don't know, 2 years. So they last a really long time. But I'm thinking maybe when the Christmas collections come out, I will get one of the Benefit blush palettes. I'm just gonna put my lipstick on because it's really annoying me that I have foundation on my lips. This is just a Priceline Mode lip liner. I just really like this color. And then I use the Elizabeth Arden moisture stick on top. And that's literally the extent of my lipstick abilities on myself. I am not a big lipstick fan. All right, so highlighter. This is like super, super intense. I just use the same brush for my blondes brush and my highlighter. I'm gonna bring that into my eye. Can you see that? It's like crazy town. I find that a lot of the clientele that I have don't want quite as intense of a highlight. They're a lot more of a no makeup type clientele that I tend to get. Yeah, and then I'm just going to chuck a tiny little bit on the eye. I'm just using a fluffy brush by Ronya. This is the E8. And I'm literally going to use that darkest bronzer from the Dior palette and just chuck that in my crease. Not going like too far into the center here. And just bringing that down all over. And just swiping it underneath as well. I'm just doing a super like messy, quick thing. This is the kind of makeup look, minus the intense highlight. I would probably use a much softer highlighter. Usually I go for like a pinky highlight that's almost like a blush topper. But this is the kind of look that I would do when I'm working in, like when I'm going to do weddings or anything. I'm just gonna put a bit of this highlighter on my lid as well. I just keep it nice and neutral, because if you come to a job as a makeup artist with like super, super intense makeup, what happens is you've instantly made that client assess your makeup skills. So if I go in there with a bold, like purple, massive cut crease with glitter, they're just going to assume that that's what I'm going to do to them, and that they might not want that. So I usually go in with the bare minimal, just so I can minimize that like initial first impression judgment of my eyeshadow. Because I know that when I was learning how to do makeup, that was the first thing I did. Whenever I go to like a Mecca or a Sephora, just judge the hell out of their makeup to whether I want them to actually help me find products. I know that's bad, right? Also, I'm just going in with my Benefit GimMe Brow, and I just give these a little bit of a brush. I have quite full brows, so I can get away with just using this. I do also love the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and I've just purchased the Anastasia Brow Wiz as well, and I quite like that. I just didn't quite get a dark enough shade. It's just a smidge light, so whenever I use that, I mix it with my MAC brow pencil as well. And then I just chuck a little bit of mascara. This is just my Maybelline one. This is also what I use on my clients. I don't usually use this one on myself. I prefer the brush from the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. That's my favorite. I just haven't repurchased it. So normally I use that brush and put it in this bottle to get product, but I'm just too lazy today. I hope you can see. I don't have a monitor, so I can't actually see what you see. And then I just put a tiny little bit on the outside of my lower lashes. I don't like to go too far in the middle because I have quite long lashes and sometimes they transfer down. But yeah, that is the extent of my everyday makeup. And then I just use a MAC's Prep and Prime, and yeah. I think I missed half of that, but you know. And that's it. That's all I do, and this is what I would do at like 5 o'clock in the morning to go to a wedding for a client, or just to, you know, go out to coffee if I can't be bothered to doing like eyeshadow. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be posting a lot more content that's going to be targeted towards makeup artists. So I'm going to be doing videos like what's in my kit, how to downsize my kit. So if anyone's watching my first video, please leave a comment and let me know if you would like to see more videos targeted to makeup artists specifically. Because I know when I was starting out, I didn't find, I found it hard to find a lot of specific videos on YouTube. So I've just decided that I'm gonna, you know, make some content for the stuff that I couldn't find when I was learning. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.